Okay, so I decided to look at the significance of the number 3 since I've only heard my name being called 3 times by an audible voice. So, because I forgot, I knew it had to do with like the Trinity. So, these are the videos that I watched that I thought would help. Um, Swords of Saint Michael. Um, him and his wife say that it's the thin veil between worlds. 3 a.m. is like the thin veil between the worlds. So since it's happened 3 times. And applygodsword.com/Mark Ballinger. He says that 3 is sovereign God. And Robert Breaker, I spoke of Fire Charger in the earlier video, and he, I think, recommended watching Robert Breaker. I think I've watched one of his videos. He says that the number 3 is divinity, Trinity. And Dave Hetty, I used to go to Bible Center Cathedral, and Dave Hetty, he was a Sunday school teacher, and he did a numerology study, biblical numbers. He says that the number 3 is resurrection, divine fullness. Okay, and I'm gonna get into divine later. That's gonna be another video. Okay. So, okay. So I was scrolling through YouTube and, oh, I forgot. And my phone, I wrote it down so I wouldn't forget. My phone stopped at the video Ultimate Fact. You know how whenever you're on YouTube and it has that circle and that round, and then it's like, okay, well, it was like under that video, so I was like, so I looked at it, so I watched it. Sometimes I do that, sometimes I don't. In the video it says 3 a.m. is the opposite of when Jesus died at 3 p.m. on the cross. And I watched it because it said 2:59. Wes Myers was 59 when he died. The guy that I used to go to Bible Center with, and then he went to the Gathering Church. He was 59, and so in green, and it had on one side it had green 2:59, and on the other side it had 3, and then it had the red eyes I was talking about that I saw in the vision. So that's why I watched it. So it says a whole bunch of good stuff in there. It says, but one of the, I think the things that I wanted to get out of it for now is that 3 a.m. it was the opposite of when Jesus died, because I was thinking, and it talks about the witching hour, and that 3 a.m. is the witching hour, and the devil's hour, and stuff like that. And I was thinking that, the dreams that I've had and stuff, and so just trying to figure out, whose voice I'm hearing. So, or, whose voice that I heard saying my name 3 times. So, okay, so there's, here, you guys see this, I wrote it down. If you want to do that. And there's that. Whoop. That way. That's it. Okay, so that's all for this video. So, thank you